All right, everybody. So, back again. I put the bags up. I kind of did a ghetto rig with an Optima battery that I have to test it, to go up and down. It goes up and down. I'm not going to show you any of those videos because, well, fuck, I guess I could have, but I decided not to. But, no, what's going on right now is the front is low. It is a low. Like, I love it. But the only thing that sucks is if the bags ever go out, like I'm fucked. Like it's gonna destroy everything underneath. And especially for how much I paid for that motor, like we're gonna have to figure something out with that, even though it looks sexy. But the back goes low, but it doesn't go as low as I want it to. So what I'm doing is I'm doing what I probably should have done in the beginning, which is I'm cutting that spring pocket off, which is what I did on this side. I cut it off and then I grinded it down. That's basically, well, what am I doing? Here, that's what it looks like after. It's just that little kind of nub piece right there. I cut it all and then I grinded it down with a flat wheel and I got it pretty smooth. I had to grind down this piece on the back here just so that way the flat plate would go on. But the flat plate sits pretty nice inside. And then my buddy Todd, Uncle Todd is gonna is gonna weld, kind of tack weld a couple little spots inside so that it'll keep the plate from moving. And then what we'll do is I'll grind those flat welds so that way the bottom, I already got the bags in, so that way the bottom of the bag will just bolt directly onto there. So then that'll be all set and good to go. I haven't cut the other side yet. There's my daughter. I'm gonna blur out her face because there's some weird ass pervs on the internet, and I don't want none of you pervs. Oh, and Uncle Todd's daughter, which I'm also gonna blur out her face because you weird fucks out there. Uncle Todd we won't blur out though because he's sexy. Ooh dang. Ooh dang. But no, that's the cup right there. Don't do that. High five. That's it. No high five. Get away. That's the factory perch. That's my daughter right there. Come on, girl. That's the factory without it being cut. So, like I said, with that, I had to use those adapter plates that I got from my buddy at BC Fab. Let me show you the adapter plates. Well, whatever. I think I showed you. Oh yeah, right there. The adapter plate right there, just so that we would sit above that perch. The only issue that I was noticing is if I did want to use that perch, I would have to grind off the sides because the bag, when it's fully deflated, was kind of rubbing, was kind of rubbing along kind of the sides where it was actually kind of touching on there. But nonetheless, them bitches are gone anyways. So, but I wanted to show you, like I said, before technically on the other side, afters on this side. But then once I get it all put back together, then I'll show you how low it can go. I wonder if that's from my tire. I don't know, whatever, we'll check it out. But yeah, I'll be back.
Where's that light at?
Right up top, I'll get it.
Where's the other welding glove?
Their welding glove.
Should be the left one.
Oh, down here?
Yeah.
What, you scared of Black Widows?
I am.
So am I.
Fuck around with them.
You goddamn right.
Well, that's a bad idea. Looked in the sun.
Oh, and it fucking it just went darkness. Darkness is spreading. Shit. Okay. Uncle Todd welding. Oh yeah. Oops. At this point, I figured it don't have to be perfect. I'll use the flat wheel and I'll make that bitch smooth.
Fuck, I can't see.
stabile.
Damn it.
That's right, we'll edit that shit out. We'll make you look boss.
Damn fucking boss.
Say, not that you aren't already, sir.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Take that flat wheel and call it sexy.
Need to be tapped.
Yeah.
Fucking daddy long dick.
Goddamn right.
I'm gonna see if I can get that on my license plate, bro. Captain Long Dick.
I don't
Or
know.
Large Dick.
Captain Save-A-Ho is pretty good.
That was pretty good.
That-
clever as fuck.
I've seen that plate and I was trying to, I was like, I don't get it. Like,
That's
it's
what
capping something.
I saw it and I was like, is that what I think it is? And I was like, asking him, the fuck, is that Captain Save-A-Ho? He's like, oh yeah. That's fucking clever.
He be saving hoes. Oh,
Yeah, she was a hoe.
for show. Oh my god, I gotta clean all this garbage. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Dean Kane, sir. Alright. At this point, after done welding this shit up, and then I bolt this back ass on, I gotta clean this garage, because goddamn. Oh shit, almost.
Looks like my toe is out.
Let me see.
It looks like my toe is fucking.
Oh, your car.
Yeah, not my feet.
I was like, I thought, I said, those shoes are fucking nice. I didn't.
Yeah, my toe is out.
Are they already bad?
I walk crooked, motherfuckers.
Oh, my toe. My toe.
I think if I fix my line.